You probably already know the basic rule of putting the letter S at the end of a word to form its plural in Portuguese, such as casa, menina, pessoa, for example. So we have casas, meninas, and pessoas. Easy, right? But what if the word ends in a consonant? How do you do it? Olá, my name is Roberta, and in this video you will learn 3 other ways to create the plural here in Brazil. But before learning the rules, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to learn more Brazilian Portuguese, ok? Então, vamos lá! Rule 1. Words ending in R or Z. When the word ends in R or Z, must add AES at the end. Example, colher, colheres, dólar, dólares, raiz, raízes. Rule 2. Words ending in M. In the case of words ending with the letter M, the M is replaced by NS. Example, nuvem, nuvens, som, sons, item, itens. Rule 3. Words ending in S. And when the word ends with the letter S, like gás or Portuguese, what should we do? In this case, we must just add ES to the end of the word. Exemplo, gás, gases, português, portugueses, mês, meses. Note, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, words like pires, atlas, e ônibus are unvariable. Example, o pires, os pires, o atlas, os atlas, o ônibus, os ônibus. So, did you like the tips? I hope so. Then, write in the comments how is the plural of this sentence in Portuguese. Essa árvore tem raiz profunda. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to receive more Portuguese tips and notifications of new videos. I have prepared a special class about plural rules in Portuguese. The content of this video is part of this class. If you want to learn more, click on the link in the video description and have access to the complete and exclusive content as well as flashcards and exercises. You can also download the PDF of the lesson to continue studying and learn faster. Obrigada pela atenção e até mais!